Hey guys, welcome to Glam Queen of Decor, and if you're returning, welcome back. Now today's video is the Glam Squad Spring Decorate With Me room tour. If that sounds interesting, stay tuned. But make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright, my royal family, let's get this video started. You guys, this is my before. I've taken down my wall decor. I did a little bit of touch-up paint as well. But I'm going to let you see how I get my room set up here, and I'm just showing you here how I am hanging my grommet curtains, doing a little something a little bit different here in my bedroom this year. I took those cut pool noodles so I can give my grommet curtains that tailored look. So we're gonna put them up, and I'm just showing you how I go about it. You can actually buy the pieces that fits in these as well, but this is just a hack that I do use. Now we're gonna hang this curtain. Now just follow me along as we finish decorating this room and getting it set up for spring 2022. And again, you guys, this video is part of a collaboration, and it's with the group Glam Squad. Glam Squad consists of Glamour Ireland, Luxury Living Within, Glam Home, My Style, My Colors, and Glam Queen of Decor. All of our channel links is in that description box. Please make sure you go over and check out the other latest video. Hit that playlist link because all of these videos will be together. We're making it easy for you to see some spectacular spring decorate with me room tours. And if you're still watching and you haven't become a part of the Glam Queen of Decor family, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell twice, and you'll know every time that I am uploading. And you may be asking yourself, what will you get here on the Glam Queen of Decor? I am so glad you asked. You'll get home decor, room tours and room stylings, tablescapes, anything that has to do with home decor in the home. You will see it featured here on the Glam Queen of Decor. And as we're preparing for the reveal, you guys, for this room tour styling for the spring, I did not buy anything. I used items that I had already had in my home. I hope you enjoyed, and if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.